We are deeply honored to announce that Namibia will be hosting the Region 5 Gymnastics Championships in 2025 right here in Windhoek. This prestigious event is the flagship competition for gymnastics in Southern Africa and is scheduled to take place from the 7th to the 14th of December. This marks a significant moment for Namibian Gymnastics Federation, and it is the first time the event returns to Namibia since 2015. The competition will bring together more than 200 gymnasts from 8 different countries in the region, including South Africa, Zimbabwe, Angola, Botswana, Zambia, Lesotho, and Mozambique. As hosts, we are honored and committed to strengthening and developing gymnastics within the region and building a vibrant collaboration for regional gymnastics community with all our valued neighbors. The championship will proudly feature our core existing gymnastic disciplines, which is women's artistic gymnastics, men's artistic gymnastics, trampoline and tumbling, and rhythmic gymnastics. We are also thrilled to announce that for the first time ever at this event, we will be showcasing 2 new disciplines.